Good day. You're welcome to mathematics practical class, and we want to construct cuboid. Before you can construct a cuboid, you need to know how to construct the net of a cuboid, and this is the net of a cuboid on the board for us to see. So for this cuboid is a three-dimensional shape because it's going to deal with the length, the breadth, and the width and the height. So in doing this now, I'm going to add this together. That is 16 plus 24, then plus 16. You can see the way I divide this now. Then I'm going to divide the other side as what? 16, 20, 16, and what? And 20. And of course, this area that I start, those are the area I'm going to cut out on the cardboard. The area that I start with what? With green. That is the top. That will form the top and the bottom of the what? Of the cuboid. The one with red is going to form the side, and the one with black is going to form the second side. That is the length, the breadth, and the width and the height. So now let's now see how it's going to look like. Welcome. Now let's now see what I show you on the board, how it's going to look like on the cardboard now. But don't forget, we are constructing a cuboid. When you look at it, this is a cuboid, and the top and the bottom that I talk about is the one that form the white shape. Look at the white shape. This is the top, and this is the bottom of the what? Of the cuboid. This is the side. You can see the side now, and this is the height. So that is, this is going to form the length, and this will form the width, the breadth, and this is going to form the height. By the time we come to how we are going to calculate the total surface areas of a what? Of a cuboid. But let's see how we are going to cut out the net here. This is 10 centimeter now. I have to reduce this because it's on cardboard. 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter. That is, the 10 centimeter is going to form the breadth, the 15 centimeter is going to form the length, while that of my 12 centimeter is going to form the what? The height of the what? Of the cuboid. Now let's go to start it now. This that I start with black is going to form the top and the what? And the bottom. Now look at the side now. This is going to form the side for me. This is going to form the side by the time I fold it like this, and this is going to form the second side. Now I'm going to cut this out. Now I'm going to pick my scissors in cutting this out. So I'll first of all cut this, surround this out before I will fold this. Now I'm done with the cutting, and as you can see, I leave some little space. This is what we call an overlap. So while you are doing your cutting, while you are cutting out the net of a cuboid, you need to leave an overlap, and that is what is going to use to hold it. So let me fold this now. As you can see, everything is okay now. I've just constructed a cuboid for you within 2 minutes. You can see this is a what? A cuboid. And this place that I start, this and this form the top and the bottom, and all these form the what? The side. I'm going to use the net of this cuboid to calculate the total surface area of a cuboid. And under this, thank you. Now let's now see how to use the net of a cuboid in calculating the total surface areas of a what? Of a cuboid. Now when you look at it now, this is forming this. For this is our what? Our length. And this is forming our what? Our breadth. This is forming our what? Our breadth. So that means I have length and breadth. How many? That is 2. Now I also have the one with red. The one with red, that is my breadth and what? And height. That is my breadth and the what? And height. That one too is also what? Is also 2. And the last one, which is this, that one is forming my what? My length and my what? And my height. Now let me show you the true pictures. Now what I show you on the net of the what? Of the cuboid, now I bring them out now. That means I have length and breadth, which is in what? Which is 2 from the net. I also have breadth and height, which is also 2 from the what? From the net of the cuboid. I also have length and height, which is also what? 2 from the net of the what? Of the cuboid. That is, the total surface areas of a cuboid now is what? 2 into length times breadth plus 2 into breadth times height plus 2 into length times height. Since 2 is common to all of them now, I can take these 2 out, and that is length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. So the total surface areas of a cuboid is 2 into length times breadth plus breadth times height plus length times height. So that is the formula for total surface areas of a wall of a cuboid. Now the formula now is 2 into length times breadth. Now so that means you come into 2 into what is length multiplied by breadth. That is 15 multiplied by 10, and that will give me 150 centimeters square plus now breadth and height. That is what? 120 centimeters square plus length and height. That is 15 multiplied by 12, and that will give me 180 centimeter square. Now by the time I add these three together, that is going to give me 15 plus 120 plus 180. That will give me 450 centimeter square. Now let me add 2 multiplied by 450 centimeter square. That will give me 900 centimeter square. That is the total surface areas of that cuboid with length of 15 centimeter, breadth of 10 centimeter, and height of 12 centimeter is going to give me 900 centimeter square. You can see that I use the nail to explain this. Thank you.